If
another
you
cool
collide with someone, it should suicide both of you.
people out. I got the luckiest bin ever. I got a purple body shield. I kind of want to run charge rifle just to see if I can learn how to do better with it. No, you didn't. Oh.
What's playing? Head case.
Wait for it.
Oh, someone got the party started.
Hey, yo, you need a med pack?
Ah! I need a medic bag. Yo, that's a better helmet.
Black people in the
Charge
kitchen
rifle,
eating
hey.
fried chicken. Hey,
Wasn't I
rapping
just talking
today,
about this?
tonight. What?
I dropped a sniper scope over here. I want to swap those. I hear fighting at refinery.
The champion made a poor choice.
Champion made a poor choice. Tough talk for a fella with a small cock.
Care package coming.
Right. Oh, I see a person.
Got one. Spotted one.
I'ma snipe him.
I hit him for 2 health. 2 health. 2 health! I did 6 damage!
I'ma snipe
I
him.
did damage! I broke her shield!
That thing really do be giving away our location, though.
It really does. It's a beacon that just tells them right where you are. I did 70 damage with that. That's max damage. I hit every tick. That's the thing, though, right?
You hit every dick?
I hit
Whoa.
Whoa.
I keep wasting sniper ammo by shooting at these guys. I need more. I need more sniper ammo.
Hey, looking for sniper ammo. I need a sniper stock.
Can't.
Stepping across, now that you said that. Dang, he wasn't lying.
Is that a replicator or a lifeline package? That's a lifeline package. There's people fighting over here. I broke him! I could down someone with it!
I smell victory. It smells kind of like after dinner.
Walk into that, walk forward so your decoy can come. Oh, I killed him.
Oh boy.
Shoot the death totem so that they can't use death protection. I'm just being annoying right now. What is she doing?
Care package has some sweet food for us. Opening fire.
I hit him. I did damage. Please tell me this guy has sniper ammo. He did! I'm going back!
You got bamboo.
Uh-oh, someone's behind us. Like
Got
over
one
here.
Would use my ult? Let me know.
There's a... Actually, it's an enemy Wraith. She's using her ult.
I'm going in
I
her
just
portal.
broke someone.
I'm going in her portal.
Okay. Have fun. I just hit her. I'm reloading.
Oh, she had it. What the?
There's an
heck, is that a
octane
turret?
rushing you.
Oh, they put lasers on their portal.
That's a Watson, I think.
Oh, I
You
got
downed him! Nice! I'm finishing. Okay, never
Reload.
mind, I'm not finishing. There's so many people over here.
Firing. Whoa, we got another squad here.
Triple take, I'm gonna
Alright,
knock.
I'm out.
Okay, see ya.
Oh, he's right there.
Night, night.
Night.
Don't forget to
Night.
eat your cup.
Replicator here.
What did he say?
He's leaving.
Oh! I almost killed myself.
Should recharge your shields. They're low.
Recharging my shields.
They're fighting over
Back
here.
over there. Shot fired.
Ow, my face!
Hitting me. Give him my shields a recharge.
Listen, let's move here.
I'm actually hitting things.
Isn't there 2 super squads fighting?
Yes. There's like 3 squads here, including... Not
Give him my
including
shields a
us.
recharge.
Can I make this jump? No. I'm scared.
Just go across the bridge. I have like no ammo, by the way.
Fire.
I just downed a guy with the giant
Enemy
rifle!
down. Reloading.
I need sniper ammo pretty badly.
Firing.
I downed another one.
Took down. Reloading.
I actually evoed to red off of charge rifle damage.
Recharging shields.
You might want to back
Oh,
off,
heck.
you're getting sniped.
Heck no. There's a guy looting a box over there.
Oh my gosh. Where, ping? I hit him 90. He's down. I'm shooting the other one. She's low. She's rezzing the other guy. I'm actually pushing them.
Damn, he's good looking.
Reloading.
This lifeline package never got looted, by the way. Like, the guy that's getting rezzed is gonna be very low.
You got bamboozled.
I
Look
shot
at
my
you.
decoy. Hey.
Go bamboozle.
Did you mean to do that?
Fire. Enemy.
I meleeed him! Are you proud?
Proud of you, son.
His next ring.
Oh, shoot, wow.
Reloading.
I downed the other one.
Drop it. Downed another.
Where's the third? Or does he have
E
self-res?
for finisher.
Yes, self-res.
Reloading.
They're dead.
Oh, he
That
died.
must just have been the last one, because no one's revenging or whatever.
Holy crap, he has sniper ammo! I hear people.
Reloading.
Yeah, there's people behind us. Watch yourself. I need to
Sniper ammo
recharge.
in here.
I need to recharge my shields. Well, I guess I could just swap, but like, oh, here's bats. Thank goodness.
Recharging shield.
We could win this. 4 squads left. There's an enemy portal right there. I see them.
Opening fire.
They're looting. Nobody expects to get shot with a charger rifle, like, for real. 'Cause
Oh,
it's
it's
freaking
decoy.
kinda bad. Oh, she had lots of sniper ammo. Holy moly. That's actually good, because, like, I kept running out.
Oh no!
Move!
Re-
I broke his shield. Come on. He's so low!
Reloading.
He used decoy escape.
Recharging my shields.
Charging my shield.
I downed him.
Downed an enemy.
Recharging
They're pushing up on us.
Reloading.
I see him. They don't see me.
He's right up.
I got Wraith.
Oh, press. Caustic's shield is down. Nice, thank you.
That's the last of that squad.
I'm
She's doing good this game.
Yes. I might have 2k damage, actually. It's a prowler. What do you... I'm gonna take it. There's some light ammo if you
Light
need
ammo
it.
here.
We're being shot
She
at.
got shot at.
Was that a Kraber?
Enemy over there.
I don't know, but it's from over there.
I don't want to
One
contest it
minute.
if it's a
Rings not
Kraber,
far.
because charge rifle will not beat Kraber. This place is Watsoned up the wazoo.
You just gotta break the bottom part.
Yeah. I think there might be someone behind us. I don't see him. Oh,
Oh,
they're ahead
shoot.
of us. 2 of them. I hit a one for 53 damage.
Can I charge do that with my Wraith portal?
Not with the portal, but with the other thing.
Give him my shield to recharge.
Flanking around.
Careful, they can do the same.
Getting shot at.
Recharging shield.
I'm gonna reload. Reload, please. I destroyed their fences.
Oh crap.
Down one.
Enemy down.
The other's low.
Reloading.
Downed her. One of them has self-revive. Got him. Other people. Other people.
Oh yikes.
This is the last squad, by the way.
I fled.
I'm gonna die. I downed one.
Downed an enemy.
We won.
Yes.
You are the Apex champions.
I don't know if I was kill leader.
You did good in the end there.
Oh yeah,
I was
definitely
healing in the
did.
corner.
3,143 damage.
Hey, 3 kills. That's my record.